bar chord transitions. Here we go. F, B flat, C for 1-4-5. And then we got 1-6-2-5 with F, which is going to be F, D minor, and then 2 is going to be G minor, and then C, back to F. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's key of F. Now we're going to try a little different key. We're going to go key of B. So 1-4-5 is going to be B to E to F sharp. And back to B. And for 1-6-2-5, we're going to have B, A flat minor, and C sharp minor to F sharp major, and then to B. Here we go.